Hello everyone, this is Ray from hospital. Today, let me introduce our ventilator V6 to you. This ventilator is an electronically, mechanically ventilator that combines invasive, non-invasive, and high-flow oxygen therapy ventilation for a wider range of patients. We use metal armrest design, which is durable and easy to control. Metal support arm, which is very easy to adjust. These are optional features: ETCO2, SPO2, newborn flow sensor. This is the optional humidifier. Providing more comfortable breathing. This is the detachable valve, metal valve, convenient for disinfection. (15.6 or 18.5-inch display, high definition and detailed monitoring data. 11 advanced ventilation modes: MMV, AMV, APRV, NCPAP, ensures comprehensive respiratory support. High-flow nasal cannula mode, gentle and effective respiratory support, perfect for neonatal care. High-flow oxygen therapy, up to 80 liters per minute can be set. Thanks for watching.